Hi Ashutosh, thanks for your valuable time to spend. And I like to know what is sleep. As a sleep insomnia patient, I like to know what is sleep and why sleep is important in anyone's life.
Okay, sure. So sleep is a state where you rest your body. Like you drive any car or motorbike, anything.
Yeah, I drive like.
Okay. So after you run a certain kilometer, you have to give it a rest, right? Otherwise, the engine will heat up.
Yes.
Similar way, your body also needs rest. Once you have worked for 14 hours, 16 hours, work or did anything, but you were awake. So it requires about 7 to 9 hours of rest once you have completed your day. And why? What is the benefit of sleep is for body it is getting prepared for the next day. For mind it is storing what information is required to store and delete the information which is not required. So day to day you consume lot of things.
Mm.
Like in a day you must be seeing about 200 reels also.
Mhm.
Okay, but all those 200 reels, if your brain starts storing, what happens to the brain then? It'll stop working. It'll hang like your Android phones.
Mhm.
Okay, but because it is delete information which is not necessary every day, so that is why your brain is functioning fine.
Great. Uh, I have one more question. What is sleep latency? I seen most of the people suffer to sleep like 2 hours, 3 hours, and I seen few more which sleeps like this. How it is happening?
Okay, I understood your question. How some people can fall asleep sooner or pretty quickly, and how some of the people struggle to fall asleep,
Hmm.
right? Yeah, so this happens usually in insomnia and some other sleep disorders as well. Insomnia, what happens is they are not able to, even though they get into bed, they are not able to fall asleep. What time do you get in the bed?
Usually 10 p.m.
Okay. And what time do you switch off the light and phone?
half an hour, 1 hour.
Okay. So yeah, so you see that okay, there's lot of gap between time in bed and the switch off, see light off. So in the clinical also there's a term called as light off. Now I think we should change that term to mobile off.
Okay.
Okay. So what time do you turn off your mobile is the time where you should start counting your time.
Hmm.
Okay. Let's say, so as you said, around 10:30, 11 you turn off your phone, right?
Yes.
Turn off your phone means keep the phone aside. So, and what 11 o'clock
Hmm.
is
Yes.
when you are keeping the phone aside. What time do you get sleep?
Uh, Around 12, 12:30, I will sleep.
Okay. That means you are a standard case of insomnia.
Okay.
Okay. Because your sleep latency is about 1.5 hour. Okay. Half an hour is the okay sleep latency because some people fall too quickly, 10 minutes, 15 minutes also, but up to half an hour is considered as normal.
Hmm.
But above half an hour, if it is taking for you to fall asleep, that means you have some or the other problem which is sleep related, which requires some correction, maybe in the sleep hygiene, maybe the exposure to the blue light, which you are looking at the mobile phone. Once you
Mhm.
have switched off the room light, still you are looking at the mobile phone, which is more dangerous than looking at the screen or mobile screen during the daytime.
Okay.
Okay, so these corrections, if you do, you might improve. If still not improved, you will have to take help from a sleep specialist.
Okay.
Okay, so for audience, any more question if you have, please put in the comment section. We will take it up in our next video. Thank you for watching.